Hi, what's your name?
Hi, I'm Aditi.
And where do you stay?
I stay at Veera Desai in Delhi itself.
Okay. How old is your child?
My son is 6 years old.
Okay. So, what kind of institutes were you looking out for him?
Basically, being a parent, definitely there's so many martial arts categories. I was too confused into what to choose. People because there's karate, there's taekwondo, judo. There were a lot of other options which I was considering. But when I compared them all, yes, first thing is judo is an Olympic sport. So I was very keen into doing something like learning something which has a future prospect. So that was most important to me. So then that's how I chose judo, as in for my son as a sport. And institute.
So, why did you choose Suresh Kanodia over all the options that you considered?
Because yes, of course, I've heard a lot about him, and plus he's a very good thorough professional. He's in one of the he's in international referee. That is an added advantage. So he actually knows that what is it internationally. It's not somebody who's just done something in national. So that was an add-on advantage. That's how I chose him over the rest.
Okay. And with your experience, could you tell us two good things about Suresh Kanodia?
Yeah, for sure. Suresh Kanodia, I will say that this institute is just like a family. They teach a child a proper grooming, a proper, kind of a basic knowledge about your culture as well, as in the importance of Guru Purnima kind of a thing was also being taught to the children, and what is the importance of that. So that was very touching, because none of the institute, they'll only stick to the basics of the judo techniques, but but Suresh Kanodia and their team, they focus more on the development of the kid, as in how do you face challenges, the basic values. So these are the things that make it really, like a family, and like somebody you can trust over.
Okay. And would you have any suggestion for Suresh Kanodia's institute?
Not really, except for that now there are a lot of number of people who are coming in, so now we need a bigger class.
Okay.
And more batches, maybe preferably for the kids too. That's it.
Okay. So how likely are you to recommend Suresh Kanodia's institute to other parents on a scale of 1 to 5, where 1 is the lowest and 5 is the highest?
For surely 5, no doubts about it.
Okay, well, thank you so much for your time.
Thank you.